Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see generate threat intelligence reports. Well, triaging and investigating security alerts can be time consuming for even the most skilled security analyst. Defender for Cloud uses analytics to connect the information between distinct security alerts. Using these connections, Defender for Cloud can provide a single view of an attack campaign and its related alerts to help you understand the attacker's actions and the affected resources. Incidents appear on the security alert page, and then you select an incident to view the related alerts and get more information. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. So I click on the alert. This is a sample alert, but if you click on it, let me refresh it. Click on the alert, view fuel details. You see the alert details here. It will show you the affected resource as well. It will show you the related alerts as well. The account, Azure resource, and the IP address. And it will show you the corresponding incident as well. And it will ask you to take an action. And if there is an incident, this is a sample alert, that is why we are not seeing the incident here. But if there is an incident, if it is here, let me look for it. Yeah, if there would have been an incident, it will show you the high level information about the security incident. Because this is a sample alert, we are not seeing it. It will show the severity, status, activated time, description, and the affected resource. It shows a bit of it here as well, IP address and the Azure resource. And if you would see the take action tab, it gives us the option to mitigate the threat, prevent future attacks, trigger automated response, suppress similar alerts. To remediate the threats in the live environment, please follow the remediation steps mentioned or provided within each alert. You can generate threat intelligence reports as well. Defender for Cloud Threat Protection works by monitoring security information from the Azure resources, the network, and connected partner solutions. It would analyze this information, often correlating information from multiple sources to identify threats. When Defender for Cloud identifies a threat, it triggers a security alert containing detailed information regarding the event, including suggestions for remediation. Defender for Cloud provides threat intelligence reports containing information about detected threats to help incident response teams investigate and remediate threats. The report include information such as attacker's identity or associations, attacker's objective, current and historical attack campaigns, attacker's tactics, tools and procedures, associated indicators of compromise such as the URLs and file hashes, victimology, which is the industry and geographic prevalence to assist you in determining if your Azure resources are at risk, mitigation and remediation information. Now, Defender for Cloud has three types of threat reports, which can vary according to the attack. It's an activity group report, which provides deep dives into attackers, their objectives and tactics. Campaign report, which focuses on details of specific attack campaigns. Threat summary report covers all of the items in the previous two reports. Now, this information is very useful during an incident response process where there is an ongoing investigation to understand the source of the attack. If you want to generate the report from the Defender for Cloud, if you go on security alert page here and you click on here, download CSV. Just select one alert, click on view field details, and with the client information, attacker, there is an option called enrichment task threat reports. It's okay. This is a sample alert, but in the live alert you would get that. Once you will get that and select the link to that report, and a PDF will open in your default browser. That is the report, which might be your activity group report, campaign report, or threat summary report. I believe this was helpful for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.